Hello there. This has been the 12 months that none of us could ever have predicted. It was the year we missed our relatives, missed our local, and somehow missed the delivery even though we were at home every single day. COVID has impacted all of us significantly, both inside and outside of work. There has been disruption to our day-to-day roles, and sadly people have lost loved ones. The Council has achieved so much throughout the COVID response, and we could not have done that without the commitment of our fantastic staff. Not only have we managed to support our residents through the pandemic, but we've also kept business as usual running successfully. Thank you to everyone for your hard work. The pandemic is far from over, and we all need to continue to play our part. The hard work is continuing, and we have a long way to go. But the government roadmap now sets out the future and gives us some key dates to work towards. Nothing would have been achieved and nothing would have been possible without your hard work. And I thank you for that. Thank you.
Hello to all of you in the Education and Skills Directorate. Now obviously I echo everything that Philip has just said. And for some of us it feels perhaps a little premature to be looking back whilst we're still in the response to this pandemic, but I think we should just take a beat for a second and reflect on everything that's been achieved and that you've achieved over the last 12 months. You've been absolutely pivotal in supporting and making a difference for our children, our residents, alongside all of our partners and the support that you've provided to them over the last year. Now you know that what we do isn't always as visible as other public services, but the feedback that I've received about your work's just been phenomenal. Whether you're frontline or supporting service, it's working together as one council that's achieved all of this. I wanted to touch on a couple of things that you specifically managed to deliver. So Education Skills provided some much needed support to residents impacted by COVID-19. You launched the new Youth Hub, which helped tackle unemployment, providing under 25s with job and education support, contacting young people to ensure they're engaged in education and employment for September guarantee data return, families community learning, brilliantly praised by Ofsted for their fantastic partnership working and the effective delivery of the online courses, and then of course school effectiveness, been incredibly proactive in delivering training to support schools with remote learning, improving the outcomes for disadvantaged learners and supporting the attendance of those vulnerable pupils and the children of the key workers. SEND and inclusion being supported in the production of COVID information in the community languages, transporting of learners with SEND to schools, ensuring information with parents and carers to support emotional health and wellbeing. Early years team have offered support and advice to make sure managers, childminders and out-of-school providers have had the most up-to-date guidance. And I've said this a number of times to Helena and to others, the amount of guidance that has been churned out by the DFE, often at late notice, for you to turn into helpful advice and support to partners in schools is just been, it's been amazing the work that you've done. Now, I know firsthand how great your work is, but you need to be reassured is that the council as a whole really appreciates everything that you've done. Your work's been phenomenal. And once I get the opportunity to thank you in person, I will. But thank you.